Hey everybody, it's me, Vaping with TJ13. How are you doing? Well, today I'm making a video on my first Zamplebox. This is a subscription, monthly subscription from them, and it's on e-liquids. Yes, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and open this box. I am very excited. Yes, I am. So I'm gonna get these scissors right here, cut this tape here. Okay. And if you like to go to Zamplebox, it is Zamplebox. It says later it is Zamplebox.com. So here we go. So for all the good things to come. Ooh, wait a minute, let me put this down. Oh, okay, so this is how it look on the inside. Zamplebox, the original vape family. It's cute on the inside, wow. So it says, so what do you think? I don't know yet. So you get a rating card for second and third. Oh, okay. So there, and ooh, we get a sticker. Nice. Okay. Oh, it says Tracy's menu. Tracy's February tasting menu. Wow, there you go. Here it is, Tracy's. All right, so then you have this little part right here, and this is how it is presented. Very nice. Let's put it on this side. Yeah. All right, so, well, all right. Oh, this is a cute bottle. Now this is, let me see where it is. This is Wonder Worm. It is sour gummy candy, and it is in 30 ml. These are in 30 ml bottles, and this is 80 VG. That is pretty. Nice, I like that. That's a cute bottle. So they're gonna be sour gummy candy. That's what it is. Ooh, I'm already. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is the Vapester e-juice tropical citrus energy drink. Oh wow, this is Max VG. Wow. All right, so the next one is Milkshake Man. It is a strawberry milkshake with a delicious whipped cream topping. That is, ooh, smells good too. The box smells good. Okay, let's see how the bottle looks. Oh, that's how the bottle looks. It's a clear liquid. Nice. Nice. Uh-oh. Look at this bottle. Well, this box. PBLS, maybe Pebbles Donut. Let's see what it says. Pebbles Donuts, glazed donut cereal. Oh, wow. And it's got the zero on top, zero nicotine. And it is 70 VG. And that's how the bottle looks. Okay. Oh, I have another donut. This is how the box looks right here. And this is strawberry donut. Strawberry donut, yeah. Let's see how that looks. I have the zero on top for zero nicotine. So, and it looks just like the box. And the last but not least is Vubble. Now this is a strawberry bubble gum. Wow. So let's see. Where's it at? Oh, strawberry bubble gum. 60 VG. Wow. So that was 6 bottles. And my box retail value is $110.91. Now I paid what, $39 and some change, and yeah, that's really good. So that is it. I had 6 bottles to show you, and yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I love you. Vape on.